In the Norwegian North Sea, Sleipnir successfully removed the 8100MT Jotun-B jacket for client Vår Energi. The platform was installed in 1998 by Heerema's Thialf, who returned to the Jotun Field last year to remove the topsides and conductors, demonstrating the circularity of Heerema's involvement in the life cycle of these now retiring platforms. What we put in, we take out. For the jacket removal, Sleipnir arrived at the Jotun Field, located 200 kilometers west of Stavanger, on July 11th, and completed the project by offloading the jacket onto the quayside at the AF Miljøbase decommissioning site in Vats, Norway, on July 16th. The decommissioning work was completed safely, sustainably, and one day ahead of schedule, the result of excellent collaboration between Heerema and Vår Energi.